Someone's at my door? Open the door, I must. Hi, Yoda. It's me, Carl Wheezer. I'm being paid to, watch over you over the weekend. Come right in, you must. Okay. You must be hungry. Eat, you must. No, before I came here, I got KFC. I'm pretty stuffed. No, insist I do. I don't really know, Yoda. I mean, I'm not really hungry. Eat yours. Okay. What do you got to eat? Take you to my fridge, I will. Okay. Open the fridge, I wish. Okay. Oh my god! They're all filled with dead bodies, Yoda! It's all filled with dead bodies! Why is every guy in there Asian? Yoda, what's going on? Killed went in Vietnam, I did. Killed my friends and family, I did. Get revenge on the country I lost. Yoda, I mean, you were in Vietnam, but that's no reason to stuff your fridge full of naked Asian guys. What are you gonna do with them? Eat them, I must. Yoda, you're gonna eat people? I'm calling the police. Yeah, you must. Hello, 911. This little green midget has multiple dead Asian people in their fridge. I really need dispatch vehicles over here now. Run, I must. Yoda, get back here. Oh shit! Oh shit! You're safe now, kid. What's going on? Did you get him? Yeah, we shot him all right. What happened to him? What has he been doing? Yeah, he went to Vietnam and he just shot a bunch of villagers up. I don't know what's going on. I'm so glad we were able to catch him because apparently he's been doing this for over 900 years, shooting up villages in certain countries. So, thank you. Okay. I wonder what's gonna happen now. I better just go home, find Jimmy and stuff, I don't know.